शाम कल्पतरुभ्यक्षा कृपा सिन्धुभ्य एव च पतितानं पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य महाप्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्त वृंद। हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे हरे, हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। What the characteristics of the Krishna pure devotee must also be have in itself. So according to the ISKCON organization, the foundation of the ISKCON organization, Srila Prabhupada, who told that what a person, if he is been saying that I am the true devotee or he wanted to become a true devotee, so what should quality or what must quality that he should have to adopt? So today this session will be totally dedicated to Srila Prabhupada teachings about how to become a true devotee. The first quality that a true devotee must have, that he should be a kindful to every person. When he will be a kindful to every person, so he can easily reach to the Golok Dham. He must be truthful. He does not make anyone his enemy. He is equal to everyone. No one found fault in him. He is magnanimous, he is mild, he is always clean. He does not do any work for his own benefit, for others' benefit, altruistic. Now the question comes that Srila Prabhupada also told that if a true devotee is always being surrendered, is always being revolving around the materialistic desires to be fulfilling, that we human beings are polluted from this materialistic environment. And only this Mahamantra, according to ISKCON organization, this Mahamantra which has been given, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. This is only the mantra which can make your soul to be a extreme peace, and one thing that you can also be directly contacted, directly you have the interact with Lord Krishna. Srila Prabhupada also tells some of the more quality that a devotee should also be have. At the last I will tell what the principles also be told by the Srila Prabhupada. He also said that he is all very peaceful. He surrendered to everything to Krishna. He has no materialistic desire. A true devotee is the one who used to do all the work entire day and surrender to Lord Krishna, so that whenever he do anything that is a bad work or that is not being surrendered to Lord Krishna, so once he was attempting that work, he has in his mind that I will not do. This is the main thing. Srila Prabhupada also said that he must be a very steady, he not be a lethargic. Now the main thing is that he offer respect to everyone. If he will not respect, suppose if I am the person, I say that I am the true devotee of the Lord Krishna, I used to read the Bhagavad Gita, I used to read the other dharmas, I used to read everything, I used to read every grantha. But I used to say that I feel shame when I used to respect old people. When I used to respect them, I feel very shame for me, because these old people are very, I feel very much uncomfortable for them to giving a respect. So there is no need of my doing a devotional exercise here. There is no need of any devoting Lord Krishna, and since I will not get any time, any Golok Dham, until you did not have the respect towards your elders, towards the ones who are bigger from you in your relationship, you cannot get. You have the right to say what is the right thing. Lord Krishna has said, even the very big famous personalities who is Krishna's devotee has also said, but you have to respect your elders. Until you do not respect your elder, you cannot reach to Lord Krishna. So the true devotee has to be respect to everyone. So these are the some qualities that a true devotee has to also be adopt. He must be friendly, he must be merciful, he must be grave, he must be respect to everyone. He does not desire any respect for himself. One thing, he is poetic, he is expert, like Mirabai is poetic, he is friendly, everyone. He is silent, he is merciful. The question here arises, if for the true devotee, if the person is glutton, if the person eats so much food, if the person is curious about you just eating the food, can reach Lord Krishna. So he is also told a true devotee has to not to eat so much food. He has to become the yoga. He has to be the Lord Krishna in the 3rd chapter of the Bhagavad Gita in that he has said कि Hindi addiction I'm doing there कि जो भक्त मेरा ध्यान नहीं कर पाएगा, अधिक अपनी इंद्रियों से वशीभूत होकर भोजन में अपना लगाए, तो ज्यादा भोजन करने वाला भी मेरा भक्त मुझे नहीं पा पाएगा फिर. So this is also be said by the Lord Krishna. So we do not have to become a more foodie, more glutton. This has to be made in yourself, to be in your mind. But what we are doing? Lord Krishna also said that the some of the quality you should have to not, you should not be adopt that loquist, more talkative, that you should not have a captious habit. You did not have. You should not have the habit of the avaricious. You did not have the habit of the greediness. You did not have the habit of the making the other person a fool by your own persuasion. You did not have the habit of the selfishness. You did not have the habit of the jealous. These all are Lord Krishna has given. That you did not have this habit, then you are become my true devotee. Then I will easily accept your proposal, and I can accept your one proposal, so you can easily come to my Golok Dham. Now Srila Prabhupada has told whatever the quality that the true devotees, actually 26 qualities he has told, to which I have told. Now whenever you go to ISKCON and you listen the lecture, you to go through that lecture. So always every devotee tell the 4 principles there. So I am also telling the 4 principles what the ISKCON say there. The 4 principles that the Srila Prabhupada has made in the ISKCON organization, that was the first was to follow a lacto-vegetarian diet. That a true devotee who is a Vaishnava, who is properly following the Krishna, wanted to become the Krishna devotee, must have to be the vegetarian. Until see, when you cannot dedicate, when I tell the quality that every karma you have to dedicate, when you cannot dedicate the food to Lord Krishna, to how you can eat, my friend, all the true devotees of Lord Krishna who are listening this video. So make your mind that you have to ignore the non-vegetarian food. You have to get addicted with the lacto-vegetarian food. The second principle, according to the ISKCON, what is being told by the Srila Prabhupada, that not to consume any intoxicant like alcohol, cigarettes or drugs. See, now I am very sad, despondence with this upcoming generation, that now generation is being totally addicted with these drugs, totally addicted with the alcohol, totally addicted with these pan masalas, guttaks and these all. I am totally getting a despondence with that, which make me sad. when the Lord Krishna has given you such a good body, why are you destroying it? Lord Krishna has given you the good vegetables. Eat it now. Proper vitamin, proper minerals you are getting from that also. Proper protein you will getting carbohydrates, fats, everything you are getting from that also. So why are you making yourself to be get destroyed by this? You know that this is destroyed. You know that this will destroy yourself, but still you are having it. So Srila Prabhupada says, a true devotee of the Lord Krishna who will also go to hell, who will follow these principles. The third principle is also very. First, we have discussed eat vegetarian food. Second, that intoxicant substance to be not to be adopted. The third is not to gamble. That like the Shakuni incidents that we that come first whenever we listen the word gamble. So gambling also be not being done by. Do not play any game which is being come under the gamble. And the fourth, not to engage in illicit sex. What it's mean? It's mean that today generations are so much engaged with this. They are making relationship. They are being aware of love and affection. If you want to know the meaning of love affection, you can go to my previous video. So they are not aware of this love and affection, or they are just want to fulfill with their desires, or just fulfilling their desires. They are making that relationship which is not been recognized in Sanatan Dharma also. Sanatan Dharma say what? Making relationship is good, but as a brother sister you may, as a friend you may, but coming to at this situation, coming to at this position, making this relationship will hamper your first life in this world also and there also. Now it is your decision. If we are going through this following principles, if we are having if you wanted to go through these situations कि हम vegetarian food we will eat, and if we will also have all the desire, whatever qualities I have told you have to adopt. What are the 4 principles that you should also have? You should know this, and whatever I have told, if you follow it, it is my 99% guarantee that you can easily reach to Golok Dhama, Vaikuntha Dhama. So please like and subscribe my video. Hare Krishna to everyone. And I'm thinking that after my 10 video of this session of Srimad Bhagavad Gita, then I'm making for the next playlist, that is the management. That how in the Bhagavad Gita the management is also being told. So all the upcoming generation, please follow these 4 principles. If you not become the true devotee, you can follow these 4 principles. Hare Krishna, Shri Radha Krishnaya Namo Namah, Vande Guru Namah, Srila Prabhupadaya Namah, Bole Shri Radha Krishna Bhagwan Ki Jai.